PM was Asante region. Currently, as I'm talking to you, about Kuntokwanwa, Wamokun was Sirebudo. I Bokuntokwanwa Mokun Upper East. Currently, as I'm talking to you, and Tokwane Timiako PM was Asante region. Will you believe it? Yes, of course. And Mensaka these details are credited to Zuria FM. Zuria FM, they would himself open some property in Etia and your home. And now, woman, ya will tell you, and son of the Ababa trouble. There is a car report. I'm saying, be making K1ng Ghana for that day. Because this Bokuntokano, they share whom come about a year ago. Say, I'm ready and see a no pine. And you man yourself and free a chira. A BDD, all the 16 regions are a Ghana. Me mamo hint e provu chiemo sent to kwano kura asase ene na kopiemu ashaman and some other part of Accra and ye na e koso nketenkete e de na ebo be free Asante region. Some of you said this particular photo circulate on TikTok, Facebook and Twitter and semunu echiemu and semiemo ramum and tentam ni ntiara wo semne fa report am Zaka no and so mo mimi hu ye na mo adwirime me Zaka report am mo adwirime. So according to some that bobo ba say Kusasi chief shot dead in Aswase, Asante region. Kusasi for one more hene. Yakoboni to Ewa Asante region. According to Zuria FM report, the Kusasi chief of the Asante region, between two tribes currently, mamprugu and the Kusoik kingdom. That is the Kusasi people. Wamuna Omokon. Naza Kusasi for our money mamprugu for Elqui. Wamu hina wa da wamano se Kusasi for in Asante region. Or no na ubi akobo eyenicho. The position a man we a hold you and ya Asante region kwa. Ube PM wa kaimemwa ye wo divisions any emwa hinsem they say ye wo chidom ye wo kronti ni sa no mano. Uko PM wa upper east one so a omo baaku bia mo friend K1ng division and sa K1ng division and almost our particular area bi e wo upper east one especially bawku west osan eye hene wo ho tina konya ne nya akojaketwa odibi wa Asante region na wo say dibi e wo eye bawku ho as the K1ng divisional area no omo hene kese a wodo ma no. The Kusasi chief of Asante region who also serves as the K1ng divisional area chief in Bawku West district of the Upper East region, Abdul Malik Azambe also has been shot and killed by unknown gunmen in front of his residence. It will not fear him. They say skills and comfort the cocoon no crana. A mind boys meaning say Ghana no action movies no say Nigerian movies now boys they no and therefore team no me say no maybe say a crime for azuku papa no bone the two when fear him no. Baby I'm a care do no omko bone two when fear him say a crime for azuku papa no. And no crana say my boss said, the incident occurred till on the evening of Tuesday, 22nd July 2025. 22nd, that is N.E.W.S. N.E.W.S. made the video be brave. That's our time when we were 8 p.m. Ghana time 8 p.m. and I do 8 p.m. And I'm conforno and so N.E.W.S. so I'm pro to them. I will hold them. I say at approximately 8 p.m. eyewitnesses or more many who be report that two individuals on motorbike. There's a physical. One so who sent Kofu beti moto so. And omokoye day. Yentin story with him. I know me. Eyewitness report that two individuals on a motorbike approached the resident and in Kofu bi anomo moto so and omo ben papa de fie. Omo ben fie no. I say one of them armed with AK. So said to him person be boni because of policy city. Into AK sa AK no etu no R47. Etu one of the eyewitness esi nani hu ye say etu kesi bi sa enso ekuta baako. Was open fire on the chief multiple times before they sped off. It won't dey story no koye no. Omo dru fie nani mu no a ana busuanya asem ketwa. Omo timoto so na baako twi tu no AK no. Eni na pa. Was in Jack Norris. I want Messi bullet back cry. And you're putting town to any group of Panimu, you know, Ghana and away cost so. And I show woman a chrono. Woman do woman someone and so every way see a F line, Asante region, and a Saboni way at me across. And I'm telling you, the BBC pair to me see what Ghana party and you're Ghana, you're careful. We beat me Tinamoto so, go to Papa Kumu, be able to call. Nina said, or what to say. Kusasi for him no wa Asante region no omo believe we say nonsensically omo believe we say okay can some kire wotumfo no tumfo wono wo mamanfo bowura no office just like that when him say onu another share crowd finding it difficult because of diplomacy and co no to even go near him inti DNT ana mama me ya kan asem yi na asomdua akoboko a efa feel say Kusasi for him ya ya boni tuyi wono ke kan asem bi kire tumfo ebema kusasi fo adi nkunim se otumfo ka wo masem no wutie nkomo no enso wo mo akwa akoko no and akwan fa so kun no it get dangerous akwan ni skills ankofo e fa so kum ni pado ano odin enne boko ntokwa no atra boko abo ewura asante abo ewura asante enne wo ye kusasi ni na wo di ensem ye ni mu too much very careful. Because said you almost see kumuni party action movie muno. The chief was initially rushed to the Menchia District Hospital. Due to the severity of his injuries, he was rushed to Komfanoche Teaching Hospital, where he was later pronounced dead. According to the information that currently means currently on my laptop, so it's a Ghana police etimia bomoni and so akwachi and konfonwa. To sa etuo bombi. Hey, Ghana na is action movie no. Hey, tenamoto su ko protuo mu kumnipa. That is the details that I'm getting. We are maybe verify the source of the news. Then after that, media ba betu manim. Say Ghana koti ampa. Let me atisa enkofo we emienu ana. The ending part of the report, abra the DCOP. So etim ebo omode ekohu abusuafo ade ato wani. Ohini abusuafo. Mo bom ho modern palm. And so me share abusuafo no enkran because the kwan papa no fa so ewo no abusua ara hu ye pa the security of the state no nyet se de enim no ebiem and I want some so say couple of weeks yi be ye and ye say etu akese say rifles akese say ayira military for abe report to say obi abewia wo the national security so make the same report say etu akese say ayira Ghana ye tu akese say ayira ye nim de waba befa ni say bia sase ye kunkum but also the government demands answer from the National Security Secretariat on the whereabouts of thousands of rounds of military ammunition released to the outfit in year 2024. The National Security omonfo muaye enso embra emeyi ano say two we are ayira wo man ni mu no ye dia basen National Security mfambo ye ho ban no ye be connect no ayira thousands of them ayira na ekohe ebi ni se ebi nim di kunkum ni pay na kwa ba so mpu do mo nsa kan ye ayade e de bo man ho ban no onipa da san yi anya bi edit moto so ebubo bi tuo kum bi no mo and sa normal way ema Ghana not na no etimi ye very dangerous say police ni wo no ye si hwetuo so wotimi twi bi famu atwe ama thousands of them ye de be bo Ghana ho ban no akodi abonefo nsem wo di kunkum ye. So according to the Asante Regional Police Commander no ye see DCOP Emmanuel Teikujo one in the team, and so they visited the bereaved family, offering condolences and assuring them of a thorough investigation. He pledged that the perpetrators will be identified and brought to justice. Currently, I'm getting information that the DCOP team no etimi akwachin kofo tu no. Send some no kure bi wo, send no kure bi enim. Update ya me say K1ng make kan wasemi. Say police for etimi akwachi wo no. Say no crazy police for etimi achi wo mo. And as the police for etimi nchi wo mo a. It made that story nechi. Na me de ababa som Ghana for. Say Ghana enye see. The next video that I'm bringing to you, maybe currently as I'm talking to you, ni kunu ajira. 3 days. Currently they kidnapping ne kunkum de. Say the see enyi wo Ghana no enya asem ketwa. Ugo PMO Global Peace Index ne GPI no a say Ghana ya asumdue man no. Ye free 43 ko 68 as 60 something. Embrofo na hu say kunkum na ekoso no ano edin pa ye. And 90% of the people who kunkum nipa GPI no ekoso no. Global Peace Index ne Ghana de ne ekoso no. 90% of the people who kunkum nipa no Nigerians. And they kum say nipa. Omo na manfo bo pa mom dis aboni. Omo na wo sa akoma no. And I don't know what the government is doing about this situation. But this is crazy. Say nipa timitina moto so boom 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 boom. It's an action movie. Odu a papa. Okunu wi ana broom no etuko. Hey Ghana. Dey adru nie. I was also waiting some currently boba. A bawku and tokwa no kusasi ni mamprugu for tokwa no kozo bawku. Currently, drew a asante region. Waiting someone who asante region are careful because the 2 year ko fu be puprumu. E ke dia no odin timi boni pa bowure mu pie ni mu. Na we wujina papa ye tia. Ko meku afra. Especially there are some part of the human body ɛhɔ no nyen kase no hɔ yɛ nam na ɔbɔ apetimu saa na ogya ne tia ebetumi akum nipa bɛ tra to aso nua kini me di obedi nkra message on next video share na onua bi nsan ka bi sɛ bɔkɔ ntɔkwa no di akwa akoduru ni ɛwɔ asante region makraw
K1 o bo adwuma ha de Jacob So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So now see commentary, news in the bar. So now see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the star also the ebema other tribe a flow. Sorted. India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. Maybe I will question free but it's all good. Oh yeah, K1ng Ghana, K1ng will try.